Minasan, konnichiwa. This will just take you through the reading practice, translation page 14. Top here, we have Watashi no machi no namae wa Tomatoshi desu. Kanji there, shi. This means city. So the town's name is Tomato City. So quite ironically, some cities are actually very small towns. People there like to call them a city. Chisai desu ga kirei na machi desu. Oishii restoran ya kawaii mise ga arimasu. Eki wa arimasen ga, basutei ga arimasu. Basutei no soba ni sūpa ya byoin ga arimasu. Soshite chisai hoteru mo arimasu. Byoin wa yūbenkyoku no migi desu. Kyokai wa koen no hidari ni arimasu. Move it along. I think we got up to number 9. Totemo furukute kirei na kyokai desu. This kanji here, furui, means old. So furukute kirei na kyokai desu. Kyokai no ushiro ni geimu senta ga arimasu. Watashi no ototo wa nichiyoubi ni tomodachi to geimu senta ni ikimasu. Machi no soto ni oki mori to mizumi ga arimasu. Remember the kanji for forest, mori, 3 trees. 13. Shizuka de ii tokoro desu. Watashi wa kazoku ya tomodachi to issho ni, remember, to issho ni means together with, tokidoki mizumi ni ikimasu. Kuruma de itari, jitensha de itari shimasu. Remember that tari suru form, going by car, going by bike, shimasu, and so on. And then if we go up here, I just ignored this, number 10, ushiro, for behind. This kanji ushiro is an important one. And I might be able to just draw it down below here. Yes, that's good. Things are working here. So you put in u, shi, ro. And then press the space bar at the bottom and you get ushiro. And of course that is how it is typed up. And another one there, mori, M-O-R-I, mori, comes up on the space bar, mori. All right, so have fun translating that. Arigatou gozaimashita. Warimasu. Have to find out how to stop recording. I guess I press a button here and pause.